Siyabonga kakhulu. Kwekuqala sibonga FA kusonzela kithi nema legends lati ibhola ngendlela nathi lesingayati. Sibonga ukuthi nisonzele kithi. Kwesibili ngibonga leli phupho le academy lelihamba nabo Sihlabani nabo Sifiso Maseko and the other coaches. Siyalibonga kakhulu lelo phupho. Mina ke ngibuya kaSisonke AEF, African Education Fund, si charity organization azisibo bebhola etinyawo sibako konke lokudzinga lusito. Ours is a charity case, so sisonzele lapha nje not as experts ebholeni kodwa sisonzele as a charity organization kubambisana nani. Bengingete ngawuphendula lo mbuto lothi already academy senaso sponsor kodwa ngidawuthi sikhona sedute nani. We are only a phone call away. The office lethu likhona la enkambeni. Angithembisi lutho but ngithi available.
Available, yes.
African Education Fund wenda kunengi ke njoba ngishito ukuthi charity kodwa nasebholeni ibhola siyayidlalisa. La enkambeni nje nasemavula nasemadzanga sitawuphinze sitabe seyidlala nasemadlangambisi. Ngila khona kuranisha ema league ebafana labancane. Ngicabanga ukuthi niyawati ke lama league la ranako. Lokukhona nje ukuthi just in case there is a hitch, just in case nifuna ukuthi hlanganisa nebantwana sikhona sibanakile, we're only a phone call away. Thank you so much.